Jim Speck with Proform. It's January 2017. Happy New Year to everyone, and we're just doing some major product introductions for January this year. And what I'd like to talk to you about is our new Clearcoat promotional kits that we're coming out with here in January. So I'm going to cover, this is for the U.S. market, U.S. and international market. We have 3 basic kits. I'll bring them over here to the bench. We're here at one of our R&D center here in Milton, Ontario, Canada, and we're going to review these products. So we have this kit here. Most of the customers are familiar with the 12350 and the 12354. It's our #1 selling Clearcoat by volume, and it's our economy clear that's sold throughout the world. And in this kit, we're going to have, we'll have the regular clear and a medium activator in the kit. And then we have our new extra cut cutting compound. So this will cut from 1000 and up. It's a diminishing abrasive, works really well. The test markets that we've done, very, very successful. And so this will be in this kit. Please talk to your local sales rep for pricing. So this is that's the extra cut. Along with that, we also have another kit that we've come out with. Well, first of all, we have the 12370 kit, which is, this will be for California and low VOC applications. It'll have the clear, the activator, and the polish in it. And then we have, this is a brand new product for us, very successful in the product testing that we've done. And what it is, it's a fast clear, super fast clear. You can polish it in 15 minutes. And it's a super product for the cooler temperatures in the winter. And it will also come with the extra cutting compound. Now, again, like I said, I'll just review the cutting compound for a minute. This cutting compound is a extra cut 1000. It's got great body to it, and it does a great cutting job. And you only need a dab, and it will work with any polisher using any pad, wool, foam, everything. We've set it up to be basically a universal product to compete with everything that's out there. And we will have a complete line of cleanup products coming out later this year. And we'll also be sending you an information video on that, explaining that when we send you the Clearcoat information. Our extra cutting compound, which is right here, and the brand is Brite. I may not have mentioned that in videos before, but the brand is Brite, and this is part of our new cleanup line that we're coming out with Proform, detailing, polishing, cutting compounds. I'm just going to run through some of the information. We'll have about 300 different products in this line. If you look over here, so we're going to have the #1 cut that's in those new Clearcoat kits that we have. We have a #2 and a #3. And all of these kits, or all of these products will be available very soon. And so basically it's similar. If you look at a product like 3M, it's 1, 2, 3. Goes right up against the products that they have as well. So this is the 3M #1. Okay. And this is ours, and it cuts, it'll cut, theirs cuts 12, ours will cut 1000, but most customers are doing 1500 to 25. We put a little extra body in it, doesn't sling, no problem, doesn't dry out, works with any polisher and any polishing pad, wool, foam, doesn't matter. And then we have the #2, okay, and then we have the #3. Okay, so this is going to be your ultra fine, this is going to be your machine polish, and this is going to be your extra cut. Getting very aggressive in the market. We'll have product giveaways, product promotions with other products combined. Again, this product line will have about 300 different products. Thanks for your time.